Good morning, students. Let us see the first poem of our syllabus 10th class, A Teenager's Prayer, Unit 1, 1.1, A Teenager's Prayer. Warming up. In warming up, chit chat. What is chit chat? Chit chat is a casual conversation or a gossip. We can say it a gossip. But here we have a topic on which we have to chit chat or we have to gossip on that particular topic. Chit chat, form groups of 5 to 6 and discuss. So we have to chit chat on a particular topic, that is a teenager's prayer, and before that we have to warm up for the poem. We have to, as we start to play any game, whenever we start to play any game, for that what we do before that, before starting the main game, for example, there is a kabaddi match on the ground, and before that what you do, if you are on the ground and there is an hour or half an hour to start that match, before that what we do, we warm up there for the match. That is means we make up our mind, our body. What we do, we make up our mind, our body to that particular game or that particular match. For that what we do, we warm up, we do some exercises for that particular game to start. So let us see chit chat, and here is also warming up for us, and in that warming up we have to make up our mind to learn this poem, A Teenager's Prayer. Chit chat means let us have some gossip, have some chit chat on this poem, A Teenager's Prayer. Form groups of 5 to 6 and discuss. We have to form here groups of 5 to 6 students, and we should have also a discussion on that particular topic. Give a rating of 1 to 5 to each of the following. So we have a question, and what we have to do here is we have to give ratings. That is means how important the one point is, and how important or how the second important, the first important, the second important, and the third important, and the fourth and fifth and the sixth important point. That is means how much the most important point will be the first or A or 1. We have to rate it, the most important point, what we liked the most, what we will use in this situation. That is means let us see first the question. Let us see first the what is the question. The question is here, when you have to take important decisions, what do you generally do? The question is, when you have to take important decisions, what do you generally do? That is means जेव्हा तुम्ही महत्त्वाचे निर्णय घेता त्यावेळेला तुम्ही साधारणपणे काय करता? मराठीमध्ये समजून घ्या हा प्रश्न. जेव्हा तुम्ही महत्त्वाचे निर्णय घेता त्यावेळेला तुम्ही साधारणपणे काय करता? त्याचे जे ऑप्शन्स आहेत ते 6 ऑप्शन आहे, A to F. तर पहिला ऑप्शन आहे, द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज consult parents or elders. The first option is here, consult parents or elders. The second option is contact friends for advice. We can also contact friends for advice if we are unable to take important decisions, or we want to know the advice from our friends. So what we do, we contact our friends for advice, we consult parents, elders, if we are unable to take decisions, important decisions. Pray to God for guidance. Pray to for Pray to God for guidance. And there is also another option for you, that you can also pray, or you may also pray to God for guidance. मार्गदर्शनासाठी तुम्ही देवाला सुद्धा प्रार्थना करू शकता. Think deeply in silence. That is also very good option. That in silence, think deeply. Just think on that particular subject on which you are going to take decision deeply. And the fifth option, ask your teacher for help. So you can also ask your teacher if you are unable, if you think that your teacher may help you, if you think that your teacher can tell you the right way, the right decision, then you have to, what you have to do, you have to ask for the help, for the help to take decisions on important subjects or important decisions. Ask your teacher for help. And the last one is, sometimes what we do, the last one, it is not, I think, that much important to take decision. This option is not that much important. Toss a coin to decide. Actually, toss a coin to decide, this is not much important, because there are some other options which we can rate. First, we can rate second, third, and the last one is toss a coin to decide. There is also